Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Well, it's Kit of the Month time, a special shop card, and some decals from Mike's. Let's have a look. Okay, on a recent order, I forgot to show this to you from the Petty Museum. I got this shop card in the mail. It's performance parts, restoration, aftermarket upgrades, but I thought I'd stick that in my shop card stuff. And if you're ever up there and get a chance to stop and see the museum, do take a look into the garage. As you can see, there's some great looking stuff. In fact, I think I'm going to do a video of just the pictures I have. This Chevelle finished is unbelievable, as is this El Camino right here. It's some unique stuff. And yeah, I'll put together a video and show you what I have seen in there, plus some of the stuff that's on their site. And but cool, I'm gonna stick that with my shop cards. Well, let's take a look at the kit of the month and see what goodies we got this time from Salvino's. And as you've heard myself and Lucas C mention often, if you're not a member of the Builders Club, sorry about that, you're missing out a little bit, because this, and I know I'm using an X-Acto to open this. I try not to do that because it does dull the blades, but it happened to be right at hand here. And let's see if I can get luckier than Lucas sometimes. Or if it's spot on. Man, I just keep busting that camera. Sorry, guys. Hey, looks like we got it right. There's the metal axle that they were talking about that was missing in one of the kits. That's another great thing. These guys make everything right before you even know there's a problem sometimes. Ross Chastain 2022 Chevy Camaro ZL1. So this is the kit of the month. And that's a good looking hot rod there. Yep. Oh, looks like the whole kit might be those awesome Salvino tires. The usual chassis stuff. Is that not just a cool looking body though? And the molding is really crisp. I like it. And oh, there's your white parts, windows, instructions. And I'm sorry, tonight, guys, I am just flailing away on this thing. And as I was saying, when it comes to the extras, if you're in the Builders Club, you get some really good stuff, because you get about roughly $30 worth of extra decals, in addition to an extra set for the car that you're getting, which is this one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize those numbers were foil. Cool. I think that's the gauge panel here. Very nice. Oh, and the Salvino JR Models decal every month that you get. The other set of decals for the Chastain car. And our bonus set this month is a set of the Hooters. Wow, man, those are really bright orange. I don't know how they look on camera, but these look good. So if you want to do the Chase Elliott Hooters car, there you go. Very, very nice. All right. So that's this month's kit of the month. And let's get to my other little goodie here. I'll bag those back up here in a second. The other thing I got was a package from Mike's Decals. And this is to do with my group build for the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators. And as you guys remember, it was the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner, and I got the decals for the 70, 71 Roadrunner and Superbird. So got those ordered and they came in, so let's take a look at them. And these are those awesome power slides. There it is for the 71 for the even to do the FTP, and the Superbird, and there's the Daytona winner with the Pepsi logos, and there's just all kinds of stuff on here. And I'm going to be showing some in an upcoming video anyway, some other information on research information on the 70 Superbird as well as the 71, but especially I want to show you some really cool pictures of the 70 flat nose and Superbird. Check that out. So you got the numbers to do Pete Hamilton or Richard Superbird, or the 70 or 71 flat nose. There's all your Southern, Chrysler, Plymouth, Plymouth by Petty, the clear STPs, and we'll get into that stuff when we get to it as well. Your contingency decals, a couple sets of the Winston. Awesome. Those are getting harder and harder to find right there, those Winston, because it's cigarettes. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Okay, so that we've got now for our 70 Plymouth project. And lastly, I have one other thing I want to share with you, and that is for my workbench. I was thinking I needed a guard, somebody to protect my tools, because found a guy to stand on the desk and guard. So this may be coming up down the road too. I'll show you him when we get done. Guys, that's it for right now. I appreciate you sticking around and seeing what's new. Next video is going to be a quick update in Model Car Cup Series. And I don't know yet if it's going to be a little bit on the 32nd scale Lumina, or if it's going to be the Roadrunner. I've got a little bit of filming I've already done on both of those. So one of those will be coming up first, and followed by one of the other ones, I guess. All right, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that. That really, really helps us out. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Check the Teespring store out. And I will see you in the next video. God bless, guys. See ya.